it's Molly. Today we're making beef stroganoff. So I will post the recipe for you down below in the video's description box. You'll have it. So with my incredibly worn cast iron pan, Dutch oven, sorry, I'm adding the oil. And we're just going to brown the meat and then brown the mushrooms and onions in this. And so I have my beef cut up into little pieces. I'm just going to put a piece in here. When it starts sizzling, we'll know it's time to add the rest of it. So this seems like a pretty easy recipe. You just brown the beef, then you add the mushrooms and onions, and then you mix the rest of the ingredients together, except for the sour cream. You put it in here, you put it in the oven, you bake it for about an hour until the beef is tender, and then when it's done, you pull it out, mix in the sour cream. And it doesn't mention serving it over noodles, but I thought, every time I've had beef stroganoff, it's always been over noodles. So I got this type old-fashioned wide egg noodles, and I thought I've never had this before. I mean, I've had egg noodles before, but not that brand, so we'll try that. So my beef is sizzling, so I'm just gonna add it in. I'm just going to cook this until it's brown. And my oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so this beef is just releasing a lot of juice. It's not really browning, so screw it. I'm going to add the onions and the mushrooms, and then so you just kind of cook these up. There's a lot of liquid in here, and beef is releasing a lot of juice, so we'll just let this cook for a while until these mushrooms kind of cook down, and they'll release juices too. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit after this is cooked down somewhat. Okay, so there's a ton of liquid in this, so I'm just going to add the rest of the ingredients. And so that would be, if I could get it out, 1 bay leaf. Oh, they're all broken. If I could get it out, 1 bay leaf. I have salt, pepper, MSG, because it won't hurt you, and flour in here, so in goes that. It calls for 1/4 cup of tomato paste. Let's see if I have 1/4 cup in here. I think that'll be the rest of this tube. And let's see, a can of consommé. So I've got a can of beef consommé. Because I'm not, is there any other canned consommes? Do they come in any other flavors other than beef? I don't know. And then it says garlic to taste, and I have this garlic, and I'm just going to do a big spoonful. So let me mix all that up, and then, like I said, the last thing, when this is done baking, because it goes in the oven after this, the last thing we'll add to it is sour cream. So I'm going to get this in the oven, and then I'm going to go walk on the treadmill, get some exercise in. I hurt my back, so I can't go to the gym. Oh yeah, that's already starting to thicken up. Yeah, I hurt my back doing a deadlift, like really hurt my back, so I'm not working out right now, which sucks, but it is what it is. All right, where's my lid? Okay, lid is on and in the oven. This goes for about an hour until that beef is tender. I like my beef really tender. So I'll see you guys when this is done. Okay, so I baked this for about, I don't know, an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes. Because I think I made my beef chunks too large and they're not tender enough. So I'm adding the sour cream, and I've got a pot of water boiling for my noodles. And again, the recipe doesn't call for noodles, but I'm adding them because I like noodles. I'm just gonna serve it on top of it. And Dan just got home from the gym, so we will have him taste this and see how he likes it. We'll see when the noodles are done. Okay, I mixed the noodles in, and we're gonna plate some of this up and see how it is. Dan, you want to taste this? I don't know how hungry you are. Here, you sit at the table. Sit at the table.
Oh.
Sit at the fucking table. Sure. The light shining off your head. Try this. Oh, I got the hiccups. I'll get a close up of you digging into that. How is it?
It's really good.
Yeah? Is it?
You need salt though.
There's salt in it. Well, I put it on the table. There's MSG in this. Your favorite. Oh, it is really good. And I think, if I were to make this again, I would add a little Worcestershire, because whenever I have a recipe like this that calls for beef, I always just put Worcestershire in. It adds a little something. I mean, that's just me personally, but it's actually really good. And it's good over the noodles. I'm assuming. I haven't tasted the noodles. You like it?
Definitely a lot better with a little bit more salt.
Okay. This is from the Beta Sigma Phi. Is it Phi or Phi? I don't know. International Cookbook of Casseroles, which is from 1969. You know, I have no idea what kind of organization this is. Is it a sorority? I don't know. Hopefully it's a good organization because I bought their cookbook in an antique store. Is this the one? Did I get this from that estate sale?
I don't know.
I don't remember. I don't remember where I got this. I don't see a price tag on it. Oh, wait. $3.50. Maybe I did get it at the antique store. I don't remember. I'll have to look up this organization and see what exactly they are. Oh, there's a list in the back of prize-winning recipes. Anyways, yeah, so this is their beef stroganoff recipe. Again, I will post this down below in the video's description box. And did I say what year this was from? 1969. So anyways, yeah, delicious. And I hope you guys enjoy it. If you make it, let me know. Leave a comment. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.